South Florida residents under high wind warnings emerged Thursday after a night of flooding rain to discover flooded roads, a closed dock, downed trees and downed power lines. More than 110,000 people were without power at dawn in South Florida. That number dropped to 76,188 by the afternoon. Broward schools were closed Thursday, but officials said they will reopen Friday. The state courthouse in downtown Fort Lauderdale will also reopen Friday. Broward County received the South Florida region's biggest soaking. Lauderdale by the Sea received the most rain with 13.31 inches. According to the National Weather Service, Oakland Park, Wilton Manors, Cooper City, Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport and Pembroke Pines all received more than 12 inches. Weston got 10.36 inches and Miramar got 9.89 inches. Palm Beach County fared slightly better. Delray Beach topped the list with 6.19 inches. Boca Raton and Golden Lakes area in the central part of county took just over 4 inches of damage. And Jupiter was hit with just over 3 inches. Miami-Dade County was also hit hard. Biscayne Park received 10.12 inches. And Coral Gables and Coconut Grove were both drenched with just over 9 inches of rain. Flood watches in the area have been canceled, but a wind warning will remain in effect until 7 p.m. Forecasters are predicting wind gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour for the coastal and metropolitan areas of Broward, Miami-Dade and Palm Beach counties on Thursday. You should be more careful while driving, as tree branches and power lines may fall due to night wind and rain. At a National Weather Service briefing on Thursday, meteorologist Sammy Hattie said wind gusts in the area reached speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour, with peak winds reaching near hurricane strength. Wind speeds at Port Everglades 75 miles per hour. Government shutdown in Miami reached 75 miles per hour, and Dania Pier 70 miles per hour. He said winds will continue to create dangerous sea conditions, such as rip currents and high surf, through Friday. And relatively tides will also slow the drainage process through Friday. Hattie said that the low-pressure area that caused last night's storm and caused winds close to hurricane intensity is not considered a tropical system, because tropical systems get their energy from hot water. There was a gradient between warm and cold air, so it wasn't tropical. Hattie said the system was moving towards the northeast. The sun is peeking through the clouds and dry weather will move in throughout the weekend. Still, Broward College canceled campus activities due to a comprehensive evaluation of its campuses and centers. According to the website, Palm Beach County and Miami-Dade County public schools remained open Thursday. As of Thursday morning, FPL reported 15,605 facilities were without power. Broward County, 50,098 in Miami-Dade and 19,026 Palm Beach County. According to Florida East Coast Railroad, Wednesday's storms disrupted many railroad crossings and caused a train on the tracks at Yamato Road in Boca Raton to briefly